scoot a little more over.
Do I need to be a little closer to you?
Just like we like each other.
Oh, so we like each other?
Yes. Okay. Hello, everybody.
Hi.
That was so... And that's... You can't talk that quietly.
Can you hear me?
No.
Well, this is a test, right?
Well, this is a test.
This is a test to see if you can hear me this quietly.
This is a test.
Or do I need to speak it up? Or can I just talk like... Can I talk normal?
Can we talk normal?
Can I talk just normal like this? Or do I really have to speak it up?
And if I'm going, hello, everybody.
Then it's like we're yelling at everybody.
Are we yelling at everybody? I don't know.
But we don't want to yell at anybody.
Okay, good test. Let's see how that goes.
Okay, let's check it out.
Let's check that out.
Schooling around, won't you school around with me? Schooling around, come and find what we see. Schooling around, even when the times get tough. Schooling around, we still haven't had enough. Cause we're schooling around, won't you school around with me? Schooling around, come and find what we see. Schooling around, even when the times get tough. Schooling around, we still haven't had enough.
How's that?
Ooh.
Starting to uncover stuff now.
I really need to quit. So, this is where the heater was. And as you can see, the wood was pretty rotten. I've been just sitting here scraping it up with the crowbar, getting to the good wood, and then it kind of stops. Just doing the easy stuff. But so far, it looks like the metal underneath is solid. Woohoo! This was the spot that we were most concerned about because when standing on it, you could tell it was definitely spongy. Ooh, all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
That looked like a gut buster. Woo! Don't take no crap. No board's gonna beat you.
I win.
You win! Woo-wee! There we go. Back into it.
Back into business.
How about you explain your technique, Keith?
As you can see, I'm by myself lifting these boards up, so instead of grabbing a hold of the boards and pulling them up by hand, breaking my back, I use 2 pry bars. So, if the pry bar gets wedged up underneath there, go ahead and brace it up with the other, and then you can get a better bite and make it keep going down the line. Whew. That's one tough board.
Will it beat you?
It won't beat me. I will win. It'll take a lot out of me, but I'll win. For sure.
Son of a gun.
Split again.
Split again. That sounded successful.
That was. Look at all these nails.
Look at all those nails I don't have to pull out. Look at them all.
That's a lot of nails. I don't think they needed this many nails when they put it together, but
Right?
you know, Bluebird.
You know Bluebird.
Yeah, it was an overkill.
Oh, they
Bluebird
built to last.
built to last. Here's proof. A lot of nails left over from pulling that board up, huh, Patty?
Well, not as many as there could have been, that's for sure. Luckily, a lot of them came up with the board, but there's always some left over and they're always a tripping hazard. So I just want to make sure I get them all up to keep things safe.
We don't want to get hurt, do we?
No. Nail through the shoe will not live for a good day.
No, mess up our whole day.
Whole day. So the crowbar comes in handy for so many jobs. So today we are just making a quick stop at the bus, but we have the puppies with us and they get to see the bus for the first time. This is going to be very exciting. Let's check it out. Max, Tasha, come on. Woo. I'd like to reintroduce Tasha. Tashamus up the buttomus. She is our 3-year-old Leonberger, who's a gentle, goofy giant. Oh, look at you. Come on, Max. Max. Come on. Daddy's coming. Come on. Come on. Look at you. And this is Max. Maximus Pain in the Assimus. He is our 2-year-old German Shepherd who's always ready for love and a laugh. Oh, where are you gonna sit when Daddy's driving? You're gonna be looking right out that window. This is gonna be home, puppies. What do you think? What do you think? They are going to be quite the handful in this bus.
Yeah, we're going to have a lot of floor space.
A lot of floor space is required.
And then we have to squeeze a cat in here too.
And then we have to squeeze a cat in here too. She'll squeeze in anywhere. No problem in and out. Okay, let's go for a ride. Daddy's hooking up the stairs because Max is too lazy to jump in.
Come here. Let me show you how to do this. Up the stairs. There you go. Go. There you go. Come on, you too. Come here. Come here. Come here. Up the stairs. Come on. Come on.
She's like, but I can jump, Dad.
Stairs, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Tasha, you can do it.
She wants to jump.
With this being a Bluebird bus, the majority of our ceiling and walls is held together by rivets. However, at least the sides are screwed on.
Look at this.
And this is what Keith is removing now.
What you're looking at is a corner section transition from the wall to the ceiling. All those screw holes, I just got the screws out, take the metal out, throwing it out.
However, on this side, we have this monstrous wiring harness that we're going to have to deal with at some point. Yeah, not intimidated at all. I lie a lot too.
So it's time to start disassembling the seat and seat belts. For right now, I'm just going to remove the 2 bolts that are holding the seat belts on so I can remove that last board that Patty's sitting on there. And then I have to worry about the driver's seat and the board that's underneath it. But for right now, I just have to get the seat belts. I'm going to crawl underneath. Patty's going to do the work. I'm just going to go down there and hold the nuts. Okay?
Okay. Ooh, it's really hard. Our seatbelt bolts have been removed. Took a little bit of grinding on this side over here. And this side came out really easy. So now we need to work on removing the seat. Let's see what we can do there.
Okay, so the first thing I want to do before I start disconnecting anything on this seat would be to let out some of the air. So, well, actually I'm going to let out all the air. So I have all my air purging here. All the air is already out. I've already done it, so I'm sorry you missed it. You would have heard the psh, so you'd have heard all the air going out. So now there's no air in the lines. So now I'm fairly certain it's pretty safe to disconnect some air lines. So I'm going to climb down in there and just start disconnecting some bolts first. Maybe get rid of this bulky part of the seat. And then I'll see where the air lines go. And I have to do all this just to get that piece of wood up. So I'm going to get at it.
While he does that, I will show you the progress that we've made and the rust that it is that we will have to address when we're ready to get to that point. As you can see, this is the back of the bus, and this is the rust area that we need to deal with. That's pretty much it. It's not so bad. As you get towards the front of the bus, little spot there and there are really clean all of the rest of the way.
Okay, so you can see I lift up this skirt, hides all the mechanisms for the seat. Got the pistons and air line with the controller here. It lifts the seat up and down. Oh, there's still a little bit of air left there. Okay, so it looks like there's only one air line goes down through the floor, and it disconnects right here with this fitting. So it's going to be fairly simple to disconnect this. Now there's 4 bolts to hold down this whole frame, so I'm just going to go ahead and disconnect those, and then disconnect this, and this seat's out of here, and then I can get the rest of this wood out. Okay, so we got the 4 bolts out that held the seat base down. We disconnected the air line, no problems. It's ready to come out of here now. It's a heavy seat too. A lot heavier than it looks.
Hey everyone, how's it going? Today what we are working on is we're going to be drilling out some of the rivets in the bus, on the walls, ceiling, all that fun stuff. So let's take a look. So as you can see, we've already kind of worked on a couple of the rivets. Got these ones I was working on, and I really struggled at getting them done right. So Keith is going to take over. Say hi, Keith.
Hi, Keith.
And start getting rid of some of these rivets.
So we've got some of them out. I'm going to start drilling out some more. See how it works. Well, there's one. Well, there's 10,000 more to go. Okay, as you can see, part of the rivet stuck on the drill bit. You want to get those things off, but keep in mind they're very hot. So, little twist comes right off. Do another.
Hey everyone.
Hi.
Keith got a new tool. Oh, those rivets don't stand a chance now.
I'm winning.
Winning. So as you can see, we are taking the roof down, or the ceiling down. It's about that time. We are so excited. We're always so excited.
Some days later we finished up the floor. Man, I tell you, I'm pretty sore. We worked on the ceilings, we worked on the walls, we worked every day and had some trips and falls. At times our patience was running pretty thin, but then we remembered we will win.
Try that again. Hey everyone, how are you doing today? It's that time. The ceilings are coming out. We are so excited. As always, we're always so excited. Hey everyone, it's that time. We're taking out the ceilings. Oh, we have been waiting for this day. So each row has only 3 rivets left in it. That way Keith can go through and just bam, bam, bam. And hopefully they will lower with ease. Wish us luck, because it's going to be quite the job. So, yeah, let's watch.
Schooling around, won't you school around with me? Schooling around, come and find what we see. Schooling around, even when the times get tough. Schooling around, we still haven't had it.
Okay, hold on. Take this from me. Yep.
Oh, sorry. You okay?
Are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm tell you funny. My side's all the way up.
Let your side all the way down. Whoa.
Start my head down.
That did suck.
That did suck.
Yeah, just be careful of that.
So, yeah, we strongly recommend that you wear long sleeve shirts, long sleeve pants when dealing with fiberglass insulation.
I don't care about that stuff.
It's too damn hot for us to care about it today,
That's right.
and there are ways around it. You can go home and take a nice cold shower so that your pores remain
Just to
closed.
do it, don't do as we do.
Yeah.
Schooling around, won't you school around with me? Schooling around, come and find what we see. Schooling around, even when the times get tough. Schooling around, we still haven't had enough. Cause we're schooling around, won't you school around with
a
me?
show.
Schooling around,
Everything's
find
out.
what we see.
Ceilings,
Schooling around,
floors,
even when the times
walls.
get tough. Schooling
It's all out.
around, we still haven't
One
had
last thing.
enough.
that, where it says emergency exit. That section's gotta go. Coming along. Dance break.
Schooling around, won't you school
Hello,
around
everyone.
Hi there.
Welcome back to the Keith and Patty Show.
I'm Keith.
And I'm Patty.
You knew
And
that already. It's almost done. I just have the driver's seat left. That's taking
Wait,
them.
stop. You can't talk this way. Don't even look that way.
Look,
Don't
in
even
the
look
back
that
of
way.
my head.
Don't do that. Just talk to them, and
All right.
I will piece that footage in.
Okay,
You
well,
don't need us
all
to
right.
make it, okay? Oh,
So a little update.
wait.
I'm Keith,
I'm Patty.
but everybody already knows that.
Oh, that's our trademark.
Oh, okay. All right, hi everybody.
Hello, and welcome back to the Keith and Patty Show.
I'm Keith.
And I'm Patty. And
Hence the Keith and Patty Show.
Hello!
Hello everybody.
Wait, 1, 2.
You can go ahead.
No, let's do it together.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Hello everybody.
Schooling around, won't you school around with me? Schooling around, come and find what we see. Schooling around, even when the times get tough. Schooling around, we still haven't had enough. Cause we're schooling around, won't you school around with me? Schooling around, come and find what we see. Schooling around, even when the times get tough. Schooling around, we still haven't had enough.